Hey Olympia Heights, we got a property for rent here, and let's take a look inside. So these have the barred entrances. You have the entrance here, and you're welcomed in by a big spacious room. So I'm just gonna start closing up as we go. And right to the left you have your master bedroom. So you have a decent sized master. This one's in Miller Heights, section 11. You have a full bath. You can see that. Then they added here a storage area. You can see that there are lines there. It looks like it might have been a pantry, or this is where they had the washers originally, but I don't think that's what it was. We have, let's go over here. Here you have the bedrooms. This is a 4-2, and you can see the terrazzo floors. Signature to when these houses were built. This home's actually in pretty good condition. And the rent, they are asking $2,800 for the 4-2, has about 2,000 square feet total. A garage, has a updated bathroom, and pool maintenance is included. We're here. This is the updated bathroom right here. Looks nice. See that? I'm gonna go over here. Then this is the dining family room area. See, like a little nice area. And you can see the pool throughout here. You have the kitchen. So you have the kitchen right here. Then we're just gonna see, this is the way that you enter the garage. It's actually a decent sized garage. It's a 1-car garage. You have the washer, the dryer, the water heater. And we're gonna go back outside. So they're asking $2,800 for the home. And it has, let's see if you can see. Nice, beautiful pool. A little bit of grass area and a jacuzzi. So let's see if you can see the home from this side. So this is so you can see what a home that they're asking for $2,800 for looks like in Miller Heights in 2021. So that way you can use it as reference and you can understand your competition. So, okay, and that's it. So if you need to reach out to me, my contact info will be below this video.